The Bureau of the ACP-EU Joint Parliamentary, which met in Brussels last week, has deliberated on the report of the fact-finding mission undertaken in July here. This was to assess the progress made by government on the return to constitutional order and parliamentary democracy. The mission visited Fiji from the 22nd to the 24th of July this year. The Bureau have said they remain confident that the Fijian people can find solutions to the political issues that confront them and build a better society for present and future generations. Foreign Affairs Minister Ratinoki Kumbombola says overall the report is positive, satisfactory and recognizes the commitment government has demonstrated to continue along with the processes outlined in its roadmap. Ratinoki adds that our ambassador to the EU, Bedeli Bother, will be forwarding this report to the European Commission for its consideration. Ratinoki goes on to say that it is now government's hope that the positive report will, quote, fast-track a complete change of perception that has been so far coloured by Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Island Forum, unquote.